Hello, 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 friends, and welcome to another live. As you all come in, please go ahead and say hello in the chat. Happy Wednesday. And drop a heart, a clap, celebration, something to let me know that you can actually hear me. Okay. Come on in. Before I get started, I want to make sure that I get a hello from someone so you all can let me know if you can hear me in the chat. Welcome to my space. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Welcome, 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 friends. Hey, Facebook user, thank you for joining. If you can just kind of drop your name in here to let me know who you are so I can address you by your name. Greetings from rainy Atlanta. It's kind of raining here as well, too. It's like on and off here in Alabama. But definitely awesome. You can hear me. Let me know who you are. It just says Facebook user. You definitely have to give StreamYard access to your to your account. You just click on the link and it will pop up your name as I share stuff. But as you all come in, a happy Wednesday, friend. As always, thank you so much for joining me. I'm here every Wednesday. Oh, Jeanette, yeah, thank you for joining. Awesome, awesome. Happy to see you here, my friend. Happy to see S Maxwell here as well too. Thank you for joining. And as you all come in, please go ahead and drop in the chat a quick hello. Let me know where you're joining me from, what you do, and who you serve, because I don't want to just show up here and promote my services and share my insight, but I also want to make sure that my audience, as you all come in, you are able to share what you do as well, because you never know who will watch the replay or who is on right now that may need your services. So definitely go ahead and drop that in the chat. And let me know, like I said, who you are, where you're joining me from, and who you support and how you support them. And let me know how you're doing today. It's Wednesday. It's hum day. It is the middle of the week. My week has been busy with appointments. If you don't know, I am, retiring from the military. So I'm going through some VA appointments. So lots of appointments going on. My kids are in Seattle. Still have the youngest here, the 3-year-old. But I can't complain. Life is great. So how are you all doing? How are you all doing? So today's topic is all about, how we need to start making sure that we keep our profit and stop losing our profit when it comes to being a woman-owned tax and accounting firm. So before I get started, I want to introduce myself because I may have some new audience here. So if you're new into my space, welcome to my space. I am Chevy Mag, and as the founder of Mag Leadership Academy, I help women-owned tax and accounting firm to increase their profit and lead a successful business. And I do that through leadership training, coaching, consulting, and strategy. And also I bring my years of experience in the military of leading diverse groups, executing large events, running different departments, increasing revenue, money, different things. So definitely I am bringing skills, but also knowledge, application, and experience to you to help you grow your business, increase your profit, and lead your business successfully. All right, so we have Latoya Lee tuning in from Peachtree Corners, Georgia. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. And I love to connect. Like before I dive into, unless I'm rushing y'all, I like to connect because I'm a connector. So definitely drop in the chat. Like I said, let me know where you're joining me from and what you do, because you never know who may need your services. Awesome. All right. So as a woman-owned tax and accounting firm, I know you're busy. You love what you do. You have a lot of process and policies that you have to implement to make sure that you are in compliance. It's just like being in the military. We have process procedures that we have to make sure that we are compliant with, depending on the job. You work hard. You're working long hours, but you just seem like, hey, I'm doing all the things, but my profit, you know that your profit should be higher, okay? But that's not the case. So today I'm going to share with you 4 things that you need to start doing so that you can start gaining more profit instead of losing your profits, okay? And if you can't relate, like you are ready to make more profit, even if you're not a tax accountant, tax or accounting firm, but you're a business owner and you know, like, hey, I need to bring more profit into my business, then drop a 1 in the comment. Okay. Whether you're joining me on Facebook, on LinkedIn, or on YouTube, drop a 1 in the comment if you know, like, you need to make more profit. Okay. All right. Talk to me, y'all. I don't want to be talking to myself. So let me know that you're still here. Let me know that you're still here by dropping a quick, hey, hello, whatever the case may be, in the chat, because I want to make sure that I'm speaking. Awesome. A 1. Yes. Yes. Definitely. S Maxwell, a 1. I'm with you. Taking notes. Yes. Yes. I want to bring in more profit too. So I'm with you. I definitely understand. But the things that you are doing is impacting your profit margin. And as a business owner, we're in business to make money, but also make an impact. But in order to make an impact, as a CEO of your business, you have to have the revenue, you have to have the money to do those things, whether that's in your community, whether that's in as a nonprofit, you have to make some type of profit. And you want to make sure that you make that profit to enhance your quality of life, not only for yourself, but for your team members. If you have a team, also quality of life for your family as well too. So this is the number one thing that I want you to make sure that you are doing in order to increase your profit and stop losing it, is to be intentional with your time. And my friend, I'm with you. I have this for myself as well too, because as a business owner, we're working hard, but sometimes we lose focus and we spend. I know I can speak for myself, and maybe you're doing this as well too. Sometimes I catch myself spending a lot of time on social media, just surfing, looking at stuff, or maybe listening to a lot of podcasts or YouTube videos on different things that are educational, but also it's still taking a lot of my time, which impacts me working on things to grow my business, to increase my profit. So as a CEO of your business, really look at how are you utilizing your time every single day. And this is something, again, I have to make sure that I am doing. And I even have a sticky note on my computer that I wrote to say, be intentional with my time, because I know for me, I can switch something, I can change my mind, I can be surfing the internet, looking at something, reading articles, instead of really focus on lead generation, bringing in more clients into my business. So definitely make sure that you are intentional with your time. That is number 1. If you need to be more intentional with your time, drop a 2 in the comment. Okay. All right. S. Maxwell said, we're halfway through this year. There's still time to make impactful change with having the right people to guide you with the right knowledge. 100%. 100%. Yes, we still have time. You still have time to increase your profit. You still have time to lead your business for it to be successful. So there's still time. You still have time in June, this month, to make more profit, because that's my goal, is to bring more profit into my business as well, to which I will be providing an opportunity for you all to get a quick leadership audit at the end. And it's very affordable if you're looking for a solution. If you have a problem and you're looking for a quick solution within 45 minutes, and I'll talk more about that. So the first thing that you want to do to ensure that you stop losing profit in your business is to be intentional with your time. Are you spending a lot of time on social media? I have to catch myself, y'all. I really do. And I have to remove myself from my cell phone, because sometimes it's addictive to where we feel like we're on our phone. And yes, a lot of us are dealing with our businesses online, but we have to look at how can we segment time to where I'm spending maybe 30 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes, during lunch, and then 30 minutes in the evening, maybe an hour and a half to 2 hours a day, really connecting on social media to grow your business and increase profit. So be intentional with your time, friend. All right. The next one is to set strong boundaries with yourself and with your clients. And that goes into the amount of hours you are working as a tax firm and an accounting firm. I understand that you have long hours, especially during tax season. But when you are able to set strong boundaries, not just only, tax season, but before you even get to that point, you are able to really increase your profit margin, because you're not allowing individuals who are not the right fit for your company to take up a lot of your time, a lot of your energy where you are spending maybe hours on the phone with one person. You're emailing them back and forth throughout the day. They're calling you, they're sending you voice messages, they're sending you emails all hours of the night, and you're just like grinding until 1, 2 in the morning trying to get things done within your business. But when you're doing all of that, you're taken away from really making and focusing on the people who are going to really take your business to the next level, who's going to pay you more than what this person is paying you, the person who's taking a lot of your time. So the first one I said, be intentional with your time and set strong boundaries. If you guys are still with me, go ahead and drop a yes, I'm still with you, Chevvy, in the chat. So I know that you are still here. You're still taking away some nuggets, and hopefully what I'm sharing with you is actually resonating with you today as a business owner. Okay. All right. So number 3, and sometimes we want to hold on to clients because they're paying us. But as a business owner, in order to really focus on the clients who are really not going to take up a lot of your time, but who are excited to pay you the money that you're charging, you have to let go of the clients who are no longer aligned with your values. Yes. So if you have clients who you know for a fact, you know that you need to let that person go, or multiple individuals go, but you're afraid that, okay, it's going to impact my profit. But guess what? This person is taking a lot of your time. This person is have you working double, triple what they're actually paying you for. So, friend, I need you to look at who are you serving, and are these individuals that you are serving, are they aligned with your values? And if they're not, step into that CEO role and get the confidence to let that person know and said, hey, X, it was great working with you, but as of next week, or give them a 2-week notice, let that person know you would no longer serve them, because again, they do not align with your values anymore, because they're sucking all of your time and energy, and the profit that the amount that they're paying you does not make sense. Okay. So yes, S Maxwell is still here. Awesome. So that was number 3. And number 4, your money mindset. So yes, friend, your profit is being impacted because of your money mindset, how you view money, how you price your services, and you do a lot. You're very knowledgeable. You're an expert in your field, but you are, again, going back to the clients that you are serving clients who are not willing to pay what you know you could pay. But because your money mindset is like, well, this might be too much. This might, they may not want to pay. My clients may not want to pay what you want to charge. Maybe you're charging $300 for a service, when in actuality, you should be charging maybe $800 for that specific service. Because remember, you're in the tax business, you're in the accounting business, you are helping business owners save thousands and thousands of dollars, my friend. So you charging them, whether that's a couple $1,000s for a couple of months of services, or tax planning, whatever the case may be, because again, you're the expert and you're helping a business owner to save 50,000, 10,000 in tax benefits so that they can reinvest into their businesses. Then you need to look at how can you up level your money mindset so that you can increase your profit margin. And these are things that I help you with when it comes to the mindset, the leadership, and the execution, so that you can grow in profit, but also lead your business successfully. All right. So if you all are feeling like you're like these things that I'm sharing are resonating with you, then definitely drop a 3 in the chat and let me know, like, which one is it that, okay, I need to be more intentional. I need to set more boundaries. I need to let go of clients that no longer align with my values. Or is it my money mindset? Let me know out of those 4, which one is maybe one thing that you need to work on, or maybe it's all 4. Let me know. But these are things that I'm going to help you with as your coach, as your mentor, as your leadership guide, advisor. And I said that I have an opportunity for you. So there's a couple of opportunities. The first one is, and before I get into that, any questions, any comments before I share this opportunity with you all? All right. So this opportunity is for the business owner who is looking for a quick solution. So this is the leadership audit. It is $100 that you get to invest to help you, for me to help you come up with a solution. So whether you are looking to up level, your prices, maybe you're struggling with team, maybe you're struggling with owning your leadership, you come to me with that specific problem and I will give you a solution that you can implement. So this opportunity is only good until the end of June. So from now until June, you get to book a call. When you click on the link in the description and you book your session, it's $100. You will get a link. You click on that link. You schedule your time, your day from now until the end of June, and you and I will meet on Zoom for 45 minutes. You will fill out a form beforehand, so that means I already know kind of what your challenge is, and then we will talk and you will have a solution before you leave that call. That is my promise to you. And this is just something that I'm doing for the end of the month, but this will change next month. And I may do this once a month where I provide this quick solution to help you increase your profit and grow as a leader in your business. So if this is something you are interested in, definitely just click the link in the description and book a spot, and I will be happy to serve you and help you because I am able to get you that solution. All right. And that's if you're looking for something quick, simple, straight to the point so that you can move forward. But if you're looking for more support in the sense of 3 to 6 months of coaching, mentorship, then definitely I will love for you. I invite you to book a consultation call. Click in the link in the description as well. And you get to fill out the form, and you and I will have a conversation. You will share what's going on in your business, and then I will share with you how I can support you to get to those solutions. And yes, we will get to those solutions if you're willing to take action and get things done. And if it's a good fit, if it's not a good fit for you or myself, then guess what? Nothing is lost. But if it's a good fit from what you're hearing, then you get to choose whether you want to move forward or not. So those are 2 opportunities for you to work with me: the quick fix, the leadership through the leadership audit, or you can book another call, a consultation call, where we can dive a little bit more and figure out how I can support you long term. So yes, y'all. So today was all about how to stop losing profit as a woman-owned tax and accounting firm, because you work hard, you're the expert, you are great at what you do, but you are not bringing in the money that you know you deserve. And I'm here to help you to change that. Okay. And remember that if you are not where you want to be in a sense of your profit margin, then remember to be intentional with your time. Set strong boundaries with yourself and others, and that's with family members, that's with friends, clients, contractors. So remember that. Let go of clients who are no longer aligned with your values, friend. Like, you have to remove those individuals who are sucking the energy and life out of you. Remove them. And the last one, change your money mindset. Don't look at, okay, well, this person can only afford this. No, think about the quality of work that you're providing to your clients and the impact that it has on their businesses, the amount of money that you're saving them as a tax and accounting firm, helping them to make sure that their numbers are correct. Their number is ready for when they do get an audit, like they're not paying additional fees. So think about the impact that you are allowing them to have in their businesses. Okay. So as always, I'm here every Wednesday at 5 p.m. Central Time to serve you, to educate you, and to provide what I do if you choose to work with me. But thank you all so much for joining. If you are watching this later on, please click #replay. I am Chevvy Mag, the founder and CEO of Mag Leadership Academy, and I love to educate. I love to help you make big impact. I love to help and see you transform in your business. I love to see you win. And if you're looking for support to help you increase your profit and help you to lead in your business so that your business can be successful, then I invite you to book a call or click the Leadership Audit to get a quick fix and see what happens from there. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for joining me. And don't forget to share this with friends. And also, I forgot to mention, I do have a Facebook group and I would love for you to join. It is called Mac Leadership Academy. You can go to Facebook and join that group as well. Or follow me on YouTube at Mac Leadership Academy. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, because I want to grow my platforms. And the last thing that I want to share is that I do have a the Leadership Helpdesk podcast, where I release episodes every Tuesday. So definitely click the link in the description as well too, and check it out on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts. Definitely you can find it on your podcast platforms. All right, y'all. Happy Wednesday, and I will see you all later.